Day 9, 8th day at the beach. It's just so close. I can just come down here, spend 1 hour here and get lots of sun. 2 hours maximum. I study my Spanish. Have great cell phone options down here though. A poem. So a poem, it got to be this past summer when I was there, it was $39 plus taxes, comes to $45 or something. $45 a month for 20 gigabytes. So that's when you use Wi-Fi from house internet. Then, you don't even come close. And I drive a lot and I listen. I use the data the whole time while I'm driving. But not the whole time, You know what I mean. So, at any rate, I never came close to the 20 gigabytes in 1 month, for which I paid $45, which is less than I was paying, because it was $56.50 or something, $50 a month for my cell phone plan before. And I had 5 gig, but then times have changed, and so now they're offering reasonable amounts so that we can, educate ourselves and all that stuff on the go. And so then down here it is 50 pesos for a SIM card and 200 pesos for a month of unlimited. This is what I do. I listen to Spanish as I'm walking along. I get down here, I study something. I sometimes connect with friends, but it's not easy because we wouldn't be able to hear each other. Maybe they could hear me over the waves, but I wouldn't be able to hear them over the waves. So at any rate, I might respond, let's say. Yeah, and so then after an hour and a half of enjoying the grounding, because I'm on Earth, right, directly on Earth. So after an hour and a half of grounding, then I make my way back home, and we eat our big meal of the day at 3 or 3:30 p.m., something like that. So if by chance, like yesterday, I went to a breakfast with about 30 women, then that was just too much for me to then eat again. To eat at 9 o'clock and eat again at 3 p.m., wow, no. So I said thanks, but no thanks, and they just, kept the leftovers that were prepared for me, and I had them at night. So, it's great. It's fabulous. But today I haven't eaten, so I will be back in time for 3 o'clock meal, or maybe 3:30 or whatever, but I'll be there for 3. And that's so wonderful. All right, until next time, go forth and have tons of fun.